Item: SCP-1051. Object Class: Euclid. Special Containment Procedures. Due to SCP-1051's main danger being information leakage, efforts towards containment have been placed into denial or falsification of rumors surrounding its existence. Agents are to be reminded that any reference towards SCP-1051 or similar concepts during interaction with a civilian, whether online or offline, are to be met with ridicule and/or denial. Knowledge beyond current cultural information may require the application of a Class A amnestic. SCP-1051 is to be patrolled by no less than 20 personnel dressed in uniforms superficially resembling that of the United States Air Force, in a 2 km radius surrounding SCP-1051. Intruders into this radius are to be shot. Personnel are reminded to not injure intruders, but only shoot a sufficient amount to repel them. Repeated attempts at entry or entry beyond a 1 km radius will result in the application of a Class A amnestic. Satellites orbiting over or near SCP-1051 are to have their transmissions monitored for suspected interference. Any antennae discovered in a 10 km radius around SCP-1051 with no known purpose are to be either destroyed or surrounded by a Faraday cage. Description: SCP-1051 is a large, immobile organism presumably extraterrestrial in origin. Its shell measures approximately 700 meters by 500 meters by 60 meters. SCP-1051 is an ambush predator in nature, and lures its prey using a variety of sociological and psychological manipulation. SCP-1051 has a shell that mimics large structures. For the past years, SCP-1051 has remained in appearance to an aircraft hangar. SCP-1051 will periodically produce and launch eggs, see above, from itself. They are elliptical in design but are flattened at the bottom to make a domed shape. This is presumably for ease of travel through terrestrial atmospheres. Currently out-of eggs have successfully been reclaimed by Foundation personnel. Eggs not intercepted by Foundation personnel have been ejected out of Earth's atmosphere and are irretrievable. SCP-1051 will frequently attempt to connect with orbiting satellites in order to send television signals, images, or a variety of other media forms. SCP-1051 currently has a 2% success rate in connection. SCP-1051 may also transmit radio signals or connect to telephone lines. SCP-1051 arrived on Earth in 194 in an egg. It was originally discovered by the United States Air Force, which transported it to Nevada. SCP-1051 did not come into Foundation attention until 195, following a distress signal by Air Force personnel stationed at